Hey, good Friday morning. It's Friday, July 17th. This is Aubrey Kipp with Market Mover TV. Just giving you a quick update on the market and where we're going, where we're headed, what we're doing. So, the Dow Jones, the diamonds that I follow, ticker symbol DIA. If you notice, there is a massive, dramatic upside divergence that still exists on the weekly chart. Let me show you what I mean. You see right here where the price hit the peak here at $90 back in, let's say, December. This is the same peak here on the MACD. But right now, the price is not even at this level, and the MACD is leading it sharply higher, wanting to call the Dow at least midterm back to the 120-ish price point. Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to move to 120 tomorrow or maybe even next week or next month. This is a measure of the upward strength that we have. Let's look at the next chart higher, which is the monthly chart. If you see the monthly chart is turned up. So that means that the downward trend that the Dow was in temporarily has ceased because the monthly is turned up. The monthly is still calling the stock below its previous lows right here. It's calling it below the previous lows. But before the monthly can turn, the weekly would have to turn. And right now, the weekly is pointed straight up. Let me see if I could delete this so you can look at how the weekly chart right here at the tip is pointed straight up, wanting to lead the index higher. So daily chart, as we discussed already last week Friday, the daily chart has turned up strongly and has been turning up for the last week, and it turned up strongly based on this hourly divergence that's set up here. Came to a perfect double bottom, but the second bottom on the MACD was higher, letting us know that the market wanted to go up. If we look at the opposite VIX, the measure of investor fear, it set up just the opposite. It set up a beautiful, crystal clear head and shoulders. This is the head, shoulder, shoulder. On the second shoulder, the stock was damaged. The index was damaged, letting you know that the VIX wanted to turn around short term. There is a divergence here setting up on the VIX, but it's nothing credible or anything we can move on, or I think that will be a market mover at this point, because when we look at the diamond hourly, it still is relatively strong. I don't see any V-shaped pattern with a downside divergence that lets me know the market is going to stop its upward movement. It may go sideways for a little bit, may set up a downward divergence, or it may keep going higher in the direction of that weekly chart. For right now, the market still looks strong to the upside. So just wanted to give you a quick market status. Let's look at the SPY. It's relatively going to look the same as the diamond. It also has turned up, and when it turns up, that means it's going to go in the direction of this weekly chart divergence that we still have in place. The weekly is wanting to surge far above this price level here, and as long as that daily chart is moving up, the weekly is in control. So that's a quick status on the market. This is Aubrey Kipp, Market Mover TV. Hope to talk with you soon. Enjoy.